Good morning, Doc. Good morning, Doc.
Good morning. Good morning.
So, are we going to give them steps first,
Yeah.
or
So
are we going to play that?
I was thinking, uh, now that last time we explained um, how we can use cursor to code and how we can push the code to Git and later how we can deploy to Vercel. Uh, but then there is a very simpler way of testing small codes or
Mm,
um, uh, if we have a small snippet uh, like a small module, we don't have to go through this complexities of hosting and deploying and all that. So
mm,
Claude and even OpenAI have
mm,
modules called there's this artifact in Claude and Canvas in OpenAI. Uh, so these are um, they are applications in like we can build applications in them inside of Canvas, inside of Artifact. Like I want to demonstrate a small module, like like a simple thing as designing a small button, a
mm,
blue button with rounded corners with
mm,
white letters. If we want to decide on that and
mm,
we want to collaborate and see if that thing works or not, uh,
mm.
there's no need for us to code it in
Go
lower.
through the previous procedure.
Yeah,
Okay.
the entire thing. So let me share screen. So here, this is
Are you making the transcription and transcribing and
it's
recording on? Okay.
huh. So this is Claude. I have downloaded Claude and
Mm,
installed in my laptop, and
yeah.
it has this artifacts, and I can start a new artifact,
Mm,
go to apps and websites, and say that uh, I want to design a blue button
mm.
with rounded corners with white letters.
Blue button with rounded corners with white font.
So what should the button say? Uh, the button should say um, sign up. Go ahead and create. So here in half the screen, it is showing me, it is made this blue button with sign up. And if I want to see the code, I can go here and have a look at the code. And I can share this, I can download it, copy it, publish it.
Show me the button again.
This is the button.
Okay, and for you to see the code.
Here, this, click on this. This is
Okay.
the code. So you can you can work on a module or a page here and just copy and send the code for it to be added to your software. So yeah,
So this is reusable code.
this is reusable, and we use this a lot in our hospital because we come up with little problems. Like yesterday, we had a problem where the receptionist were not printing gate passes, or
Mm,
there were times when the discharge summary was not made. So.
mm,
So we thought we should make gate pass mandatory, and only the gate pass button should appear only when the the patient's discharge summary is completed and handed over. Uh, and so there are various um, things that you want to improvise on your software. So that particular module you can build here, and once you like the look and feel and the functionality, and this is an interactive screen, so uh, you can copy this a functioning code and paste it to your software. So
yeah,
I
you
found
can
it
see
very
what I'm
useful.
sharing. Can you see?
Mm, 1 minute.
Yeah,
दिख रहा है? दिखाओ हाँ हाँ
you can see.
yes yes yes
So this is I created instead of blue button, red button.
हाँ. So
Let's
now,
sign up.
why don't we create a form? Uh,
Yeah.
a
So
form.
this one, no. See,
हाँ, हाँ.
what I like is that when I bring the cursor here, it
Hmm.
automatically changes. It shows like a
Yeah.
little bit of animation.
Yes, that means
That is, I have to click it,
हाँ.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. All right.
So now
Yes.
let's
Back to your screen.
हाँ.
And by the way, welcome, Pratik. I think you're joining first time. Pratik left. Tansi, thank you for joining. All right. Yeah, go ahead, Doc. Okay.
I want to build a registration form with the mm, mobile with name, age, sex, mobile number,
Hi, Suma. Good morning.
email.
Yeah, feel free to use the chat, guys. Thanks in case if you have any question.
And the good part is it has various versions. So if you make a mistake, you can always go back to the previous version. So it has made
Mm,
registration form and it has made this mobile number mandatory. And
mm.
if if you want to add more fields or if you want if
Okay, so
change it.
I have to add saying that
uh,
the age cannot be more than cannot be less than or cannot be more than 100.
uh,
And can you click on the select sex thing?
6.
Yeah. I want to change sex to gender.
Uh,
Uh, and mobile number I want with country code. And the country list to be pre-selected. I mean, country list to be selected. I can choose the country and then the phone number.
so the mobile number field should have a country selection option.
Yeah, and then followed by the field to enter the number. And in that field, only numbers are allowed. No special characters, no text.
So it has to restrict uh, any other uh, number or symbol.
Right.
So it's it has started coding again. So this is the code.
So now what happened to the V2?
Uh, so if I have to go back
Oh,
to the version, I can go back to the previous version.
okay.
So whenever we start a project, we start coding inside a Claude artifact because we want to make sure that it'll work. So instead of building the entire application and the critical portion is not working, then it's all a waste. So it's always better to start here and make sure that everything works. So here it has changed sex to gender, and
Okay.
now it has the
Okay. Perfect.
country options. And let me try. I'm not able to add alphabets or symbols, only numbers.
Try number. How many numbers you can add?
Any number okay.
Restrict to only 12 numbers.
Ah.
And the email field has to be restricted to name at xyz
Hmm.
dot ab dot whatever, right?
Ah.
So that's to follow standard email formats.
Ah.
Otherwise, it should say that please correct the email.
So it has added email validation. So you can see it is adding the code for that. So strict.
We are already in version 12.
Ah.
Interesting.
So So this form I can publish.
Hmm.
I can publish and copy the link
But where it will be published?
in the domain in Claude's domain. Yeah, in the
And
Claude
how
server.
long they will keep this?
This will be there for forever, as long as you are logging in and all.
As long as you want. As
Ah,
long as you have the membership.
yes, yes.
And can we
This,
do like not only forms, can we do like full websites or full applications?
yes, yes. Uh, the if you we can do the entire application and we can publish it and share the link. And there are similar tools where you can a more advanced version is Lovable, where you can connect your own purchase domain.
Hmm.
So this in Lovable, it's a little complex. There is database, there is GitHub, there is deployment. So this is very simple, where you have an idea, you have a problem to solve, and you can uh, use this and find out if that problem can be solved using software.
And then after this, should we go to Lovable?
Yes.
So same thing we try to do there.
Hmm. I'll say I build a registration form with name, gender, age, mobile number, and city. Uh, make it modern and stylish uh, form with uh, all the regular mm, restrictions. So here also you can see the code. So here, so the code here is built like a VS Code uh, application. So you'll have folders, you'll have files, and all that. Whereas in Cloud Code, it's a very simple interface.
Now we want to see the result, how it will
Yeah.
show here.
Working on it, yeah. Ah, now it's done. So here.
You do not restrict
Huh,
the mobile
huh.
number as mandatory.
So the alphabets, huh? So let's restrict,
First of all, you have to make the mobile number mandatory.
huh?
Prefix with selectable country code. So, Tansi, the first tool used was Claude.
Claude,
Claude.
uh,
And the second tool
proportion.
is Lovable.
Yes.
Sorry, spelling is wrong. It is Lovable.
So now it is done. Uh, this is the country code selection, the numbers, maximum 12,
Okay.
no alphabets, no symbols.
So, I have a question.
Ah,
Age also.
ah,
You
age,
cannot do more than 2 digits.
hmm, restrict age
To 2 digit numbers only.
to digit numbers.
Starting from 18 if you want.
Hmm.
Because the data collection of children and privacy is differently,
Ah,
um, different restrictions are there.
ah,
So 18 onwards. Then I want to add a privacy policy,
hmm,
and I'll put the link of that privacy policy at the bottom. And there is a checkbox they have to tick that they are giving their data for us to process as per our privacy policy.
hmm,
Because this is a personally identifiable information.
hmm.
So they have to give consent for us to collect, and then we have to say that we will not sell their information to anyone without their explicit consent.
Consent for collecting data should be given by checking a box at the bottom.
Yeah, without checking that, they will not be able to click the register now.
Ha. Uh, Only after user selects uh, the register now should become active.
In here, how will you go to previous versions? It's possible.
Yes, yes. See, this is the button for previous versions. So here I can,
Okay, got it, got it, got it. Yeah, yeah, perfect. And if you don't check the I consent thing, right?
uh
Then if you check it, the register now will enable. Check it.
yes, check. Now I can.
Yeah, perfect, perfect. And privacy policy consent the collection and processing of a personal data in the privacy policy. The data will be used only for registration purposes. Yeah, 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 perfect.
So if I
Excellent.
want to just edit this sentence,
Mm.
so I can use this edit icon, and I can I don't have to go to the field here.
Oh, there itself, in the form itself, we
Yeah,
can edit.
yeah, yeah. I can edit the.
Amazing.
Huh. So
How did you get that edit button? Just click in there or oh,
yeah,
button on the bottom? Yeah,
this one,
okay.
this one, this one.
Got it.
So register now uh, instead of join us. So whatever I typed here goes here, and it does the task.
Hmm.
So I'm sure that where I want the thing to appear, uh,
Yeah,
I'm sure that I'm telling the right spot. Other many times, the it get confused where exactly you want the edit to be.
yeah. Okay, what if I want to reverse the theme from black theme to white theme? So
Hmm.
reverse the font colors to dark black and the background white. No, not keep the background.
Mhm.
Oh, okay,
No,
yeah, yeah, okay,
change.
yeah, yeah. All right.
It's working.
Okay.
Uh,
But it lost the effect actually.
ah,
It lost the effect.
that contrast is not there.
Yeah, but can you ask it to fill in the edges, keep the edges to make it look like 3D.
Hmm.
Fill in all the box edges and the edges of the edges of every box. So whatever you gave, it is thinking and changing it in
Hmm.
different words.
Yes, yes. It is elaborating on my prompt.
Yeah.
It's not just taking my prompt and doing it.
Yeah. Now, what about the outer box?
Hmm.
You can put purple itself if you want.
Hmm.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Leave it. Leave it. Outer card container. That's the right thing. Outer card container.
Container.
So, Doc, there was a request from AB. He is joining from Kuwait. So, for Kuwait, Sunday is a working day.
Okay.
So, so when we are saying it's 8:30 a.m. in Kuwait, so which is like peak hour,
Ah,
going to work. So he was asking, is it possible to move it to Saturday?
yeah.
I said, okay, I'll park it and I'll see other requests as well.
Hmm.
Uh,
No issues.
okay, so this is great.
So now
Okay.
I want to do the same uh, using Claude Code in the terminal. So
Before that, can you publish this on a website?
yes. So uh, I just have to click this button, publish, and this is the domain name, the URL. So I just have
Copy link and paste on another window.
yes.
Okay, perfect. And suppose if I want to do it on a page or on a link onto my website, for example.
Uh,
Like
s-
I have a website,
uh-huh.
my company website or personal website or whatever,
Do is
but I
you
want to put.
uh-huh.
Hmm,
So you'll have to use this code
hmm.
in your website.
So basically, you take this code and put it in the, if it's HTML, put in that HTML code.
So you can connect it to GitHub and then
Okay.
share with whoever. If you want to collaborate with three people, you can connect to GitHub so that they can also edit the same project.
Yeah, I was told that GitHub now, you don't need to go through Lovable and Claude. You can directly do all this in GitHub now.
Huh. There is GitHub Copilot. So
Mm, okay.
uh,
I will tell you what exactly. But yeah, Copilot is there. But Copilot was there earlier also. But
mhm.
something they released last week
Mhm.
in GitHub, other than Copilot.
Mhm.
So I can check. Yeah.
I have a
Me.
quick question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, so suppose if I'm sending this link to our customers and they're giving all the details and registering it. Okay,
Mhm.
suppose in a day 10 customers registers. At the
Mhm.
end of the day, how will I know? Where will be that data be pulled? In my
Ha,
mail or how?
so for that, you need to connect to Supabase. So so if you have a database, all that will be stored in the database, and you'll be able to look at all the people who have registered. So not only the data, their demographic data. Uh, Supposing you ask them to upload their email ID, I mean, upload their photograph or upload certain other videos or anything. So all the data can be stored in Supabase, which is a database.
That is a Lovable's database or
See here, this green button, this you have to connect to Supabase. So here you connect uh, a, a project here, And so you don't even have to go to the Supabase website. So it will natively connect all that, and you'll be able to see all the data there.
Okay, okay. And maybe we have to subscribe the database. That's it, right?
It's free.
It's free. Okay.
So Superbase is open source and it's powered by PostgreSQL database. It will have
Mm-hmm.
typical features for backend as a service. So that's tools for developers to quickly build application backends, right? So what do you need in the backend? You need to connect the database, you need an authentication, and you need storage and updates. So it simplifies backend setup. So that is Superbase.
Okay, okay. I got it. I got it. Thank you. Thank you.
So we just have to fill in a few forms here in Supabase. If you have already uh, used, you want to add another project, you just have to fill this form and
Yeah.
add new project, create this.
I just want to clarify that Superbase, it's like a freemium offer. So you have like a free offer with a 500 MB database storage and 1 GB file storage, and then 2 projects maximum. After 2 projects, you have to upgrade to a pro account, which will cost you like $25, and then it will give you more limits. Or you can go for a team account, will cost you around $599, and then you can use it for the entire team. So in the team accounts, you have additional features like 14-day backup, 28-day logs, single sign-on, compliance, 24/7 support, and all that stuff. And once you go over the plan limit also, you can still maintain that plan limit, but you can get billed for additional GB per month and monthly active users, depends on the number of active users, etc. So, Tansi, you are in the WhatsApp group?
Which group?
There is a vibe coding
No.
WhatsApp group. So, Doc, can you put that group into the chat here?
Yeah.
And I will publish this document about Superbase there.
Okay, okay.
Doctor, I have a
And
doubt, Abhi here.
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry.
Ivy.
As regarding the privacy and data security, is this can be used for commercially or just for training purpose? This Supabase and all
Supabase is very secure. Now
secured. Okay.
most big businesses are using Supabase. Uh,
Oh, great.
uh, and
Superbase is powered by PostgreSQL.
So
yes,
it's accepted in the market. If I suppose if I
Yeah. It's
develop
like
a
a
small
standard
module for
product.
somebody, nobody will complain and say like regarding the security and privacy and all.
no.
Yeah.
Oh,
It is uh, it's got a very high level of security. So every row can be restricted. Every like
okay.
Superbase is like an Excel sheet. So
Hmm.
each row can be restricted to certain users.
Oh,
If you have
yes.
10 users, you can allow only a few users to use certain rows. So there can be hundreds of tables in Supabase. And if you want to restrict some users to certain rows, you are able to do that.
Oh,
So that was not possible in the legacy database softwares. So
Okay.
this is a very
Yeah,
high.
it is secure. It is giving you SOC 2, Type 2, and HIPAA compliance if required. AES 256 encryption at rest and in transit, and multi-factor authentication, role-based access control, and regular reviews and DDoS protection.
Thank you. One more request, because since I'm not attending the sessions fully, in between I'm breaking. Can you give a sum up, like I'm a beginner, which one lovable, or to buy the purchase a license, minimum things to start with?
You should
Many
not buy
tools we
any
are.
license. You should start working. You should start
That's it. I
testing.
mean, it's not required any initial license or nothing.
You should start with free. Everything has got
Okay.
free. Because the problem with license is that I also do the same mistake. Because
Mhm.
you give you a satisfaction that, oh, I'm doing something, but nothing will happen,
Okay. Okay.
right? You'll end up paying
For
every month.
learning,
You'll forget.
great.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, great.
So
Thank you.
yeah, but like we said in the earlier sessions, the best tools are we are discussing the best tools here. We are testing a lot of tools in the background, and um, the best tool so far is uh, Cursor and Claude code. Right, Doc?
Yes. Uh,
Yeah.
how these three are different is now the code here in Lovable is in the cloud. In Cursor, it is on your device. But then you're able to see if all the as a folder, you're able to see all the code as a folder and a file. Whereas when you're using Claude Code, you're using the terminal of your computer and you're coding inside the terminal of your computer. So the now OpenAI also has come up with CLI version, that is the coding inside the terminal, and it also has a downloadable version and also a cloud version. So now every company is coming with all these three versions. Claude is coming up with these three versions. Cursor is coming up with these all the three versions because uh, there are different use cases for these three different types of AI coding tools.
So one is cloud, second is on device, third is what?
Uh, Using just the terminal, like
But that,
Cloud Code, no? See, I'll show you how it works. Supposing we we do the same with Cloud Code. Huh? This, uh, this is I open a terminal, okay, and I have installed Claude, so I just have to type Claude.
yeah, but where is this code is going to reside on the device or
See,
cloud?
on the device, but the coding is done in the terminal.
Hmm.
The code will
Dr. I
be
have it. Is it like
Okay,
a
so
remote desktop? Something like remote desktop, this terminal concept?
no. Terminal is this window which you are interacting with cursor for a particular thing, right? Where you're putting commands.
Oh.
It's like it will execute the commands.
CLI, okay, command line interface. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead. Thank you. Thank you.
So when you're coding in the terminal, the system root access is provided. So that's the advantage. So in certain coding modalities, you need to access the root. So a lot of things you can code at the root level. So let us do the same thing, building the form using Cloud Code. Build a modern registration form with name, gender, mobile number. with the regular. Selecting country code. From drop down and restrict the number of digits to per. And this Claude is the fastest coding tool. So I prefer using this. And supposing I want to give this um, as a reference site, I can take a screenshot of this, drag it and drop it here. And use the image as a reference. So this is the image that I want to use here. So it has taken up the image inside the terminal, and so it will use the UI of another application and try and do the same thing. So it has recognized the reference design, clean modern registration form, purple theme. And this is the best way to clone websites. So if you like a particular website and you want your own website to look like that website, so this is the best way. Take an image, give it to the coding tool, and ask it to build a similar image. So it's adding country code drop down with validation. So if you're noticing, I am only using this part, the terminal part. I'm not using the sidebars. I'm not using the space on top. So I'm just using the terminal. So it's done it. So it will give me a clickable link. So this is the clickable link. So I click on this and it has made this. So now if I have to publish this, then I have to first maybe push it to GitHub, and then using Vercel. Like last time, we had seen how from GitHub we can link to Vercel and then deploy it in Vercel. And you can purchase a domain and then link the domain to Vercel. So, so all this will be seen on your in your own domain. So we can test it also. We can test if this is proper, if the age restriction is there. Uh, so this is a required field. Here we can test if uh, it is only taking 12 numbers. So even though we didn't mention all this, because I gave an image of the form that I had made previously, it picked everything, all these validations from the image that we gave the tool. So, so sometimes it is always uh, advisable to give images. So the best way to code nowadays is by giving reference images or telling it where exactly you want changes. So you can take a screenshot and you can mark the place where you want the changes like this. Or you can circle the field where you want changes. And once this is done, you can, this screenshot can be shared here by dragging and dropping here, and it'll do exactly what you have instructed in the image. So even though like working inside the terminal, you don't see much of options, but it takes images. So uh, all the instructions that we give in Lovable and Claude, all those image instructions can be given here also. Any questions?
No, that's good. That's good.
Yeah.
So,
So maybe we need some guidance document which says that if you are testing something, or if you want to get a quick result, should we use Claude artifacts or OpenAI Canvas? And then when we should go to Lovable, when we should go to Cursor. I mean, what is a decision tree for that, right? Like, I mean, what is a realistic, practical, cost-effective for vibe coding beginners, right?
So for beginners, there is no cost in Lovable. For beginners, there is no cost when you're using Claude on your desktop, when you're using the artifact. There is no cost.
Okay.
But when you're using Claude Code, there is a cost. And because it's the best coding tool available, uh, you will need to use that when you're using a very, enterprise level, or when you
Yeah. So if you're doing testing, then artifacts is good.
Yes, yes. And that is the best, even for, I would say, even for professionals, if they want to test out a module, and if they want to, if they want feedback from the users, if this okay, or if it's working or not, for validating, that is the best. Artifact is the best. But once that is done, once you are validated and you want to complete the entire application, then you will
Mm.
have to move to either Cursor or Claude Code.
Yeah.
So Lovable also has restrictions. So Lovable only allows all development which started with Lovable. So if you have built your software somewhere else and you want to bring it to Lovable and code, it's a little complex. So uh, that's okay for beginners when they want to start use their application using Lovable. It's the best. But if you want complex applications, if you want to code enterprise level applications, then you'll have to start using Cursor and Claude Code.
Mm. Okay. So, for all the participants on this call who want to test the vibe coding, most of the tools are free and they can use multiple AI instances, including ChatGPT. And if they want to do research, use Perplexity. If they want to uh, use Claude, they can use Claude, they can use Grok. Um, they can use any of those tools to arrive at with certain idea, brainstorming and come up with, okay, this is what I'm going to build, and these are the steps, and I'm going to use the following tools, and then they can start with the Claude, uh, in Claude the artifacts, or if they want a simple visualization, then they should use uh, Lovable, and or maybe you should show how it is to be published finally to be shared with their friends or team members, um, on Versal maybe. I mean, Lovable, yes, you can share that, but
This thing that I now built here
mm,
using Claude Code, so
mm,
I can publish this in Versal. So
yeah,
let me show how I'll push this to Git and publish in Versal. So it's just a
yes,
simple form that I want to push to Git. So I just
mm,
have to say push to GitHub. So before that, let me go to GitHub, and so here you see this green button. You have to, let's name it simple form, and create repository. That's it. So the repository is made. The name of the repository is simple form. Now I'll copy this URL, and I'll
URL of the repository link.
of the repository, and uh, I will I'll give it here. I'll say
Connect to this.
push,
Push the code to this. Huh?
and it'll do the rest. So I'll show you how the code appears in GitHub. So now we are pushing the code to GitHub. So when it pushes to GitHub, it also uh, writes a description of what is there in the code.
Mm,
It is summarized what is there in the code here, and then push the code. So when you have multiple versions, you know what is there in each version.
right.
So this is where we built the repository. So now when I reload it, this is the form. So this is the code in GitHub. Okay.
Yeah.
Anybody who clicks on a domain, who goes to our domain, is able to view these code, the form, the registration form. So how to deploy
Universal.
using Vercel CLI. So Vercel again is a free tool. GitHub is free. Uh, you don't you just have to go to, I'll show you how Vercel looks like. So once it pushes the code from GitHub to deploy in Vercel, I'll I'll just have to go there automatically. It is deploying the code in Vercel. So Vercel gives its own URL. It'll so it is done. So let us go there. So so this is the Git repository. I just need to connect it. There is a error. We'll have to fix
Where
that.
is the simple form thing?
The form, there's an error in the code. I have to fix it. So
Okay.
this is the error. So what I'll do, I'll copy and paste it here and, and ask it to fix it. So the error is because Versal is looking for an index.html, but we have registration form.html. So that is why Versal is not able to publish it.
Hmm.
So this link is Versal link. So it is sitting in Versal server now. So this I can share with anybody and they will be able to look at this website. So if I
Hmm.
want to, if I purchase a domain, then I
Hmm.
can very easily connect Versal to that purchase domain. But
Okay.
even if I don't purchase any domain, I just need to share the Versal link.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah.
So, so what we discussed today is about no need to go through um, cursor, do the coding, connect to GitHub, and then see it. Instead of that, straight away go to Claude artifacts and create and see right and then and there. And those code sets can be reused for various projects if required, or you can completely build it. Then we said, okay, how can we see that in Lovable? And we also said that, okay, we are making it in Claude. What is this? This one, this terminal one which you're using?
Claude Code.
Cloud Code. But Cloud Code is payable, no?
Yes, yes. This is payable.
Okay, but if somebody doesn't want to pay, they want to test,
Ah,
then the best thing is to use Lovable
huh.
or the um, Cloud
Artifact.
artifacts.
Artifact is free. So OpenAI's Canvas is also free. So
Can you
they,
show that also? OpenAI Canvas.
yeah. When they introduced the latest version, they got rid of many of these things. Uh, OpenAI chat. So it's coding.
Yeah.
So if I want to see how it
So
looks,
you have to go to a specific place or just open a chat window and just go, right? Or you have to, you have to say use Canvas.
yes,
You have to say you, I mean, if you don't say use Canvas, then what happens?
it'll just give you the code. So there are in Canvas, there are a lot of things. So this is how the Canvas looks like. So the advantages of using Canvas is, so it has made this registration form.
Hmm.
uh, you can share the link like how we shared the link in Claude. Then there are versions here. You can see various other versions also.
Okay, and
You can download the code.
you can publish this also? No.
Here. So when you're sharing, it'll publish and create a link.
But that is only to show others how it looks like, but for people to use it,
Huh.
like
So let us see if
like
we can
on
use it.
Vercel.
Huh. So now I copied this and I have opened another tab. So I can start using it.
And where does this data go?
Huh. This is, there is no database connected here.
So can we connect? Can we connect Superbase?
No, we can't. This is just to test with mock data and all.
Oh, okay. So just to say, like,
Ah,
it's like painting the picture in the canvas, like to show.
ah, yeah.
Okay.
So even artifact, there is no database connected. We are using like all those AI functionalities can be tested here. So, so if you want, supposing I want to give a prompt and I want to make a discharge summary, uh, a module for making AI generated discharge summary. So that can be tested
Hmm.
here. So
Hmm.
I will just give the diagnosis and complaints and certain 2 3 medications, and I'll ask it to prepare a professional looking discharge summary. So that can be tested here because uh, in the backend there is AI. So it'll
Hmm.
all the data that I gave through AI. It'll use the prompt that I give, and it'll generate a discharge summary. So that discharge summary module can be tested here.
Okay. Got it. So I think we have passed 1 hour 15 minutes. So we can close today. And then I want to work on a specific project with you.
Yes.
Hmm. So Aishwarya wanted to create like a student support system.
Hmm.
Basically, students of IGCSE, IB, A level, CBSE, they
Hmm.
understand the concepts, practice exam styles, and coursework. Um, so the idea is to um, develop this with AI and then share with um, schools so that they can give the students for testing for free. They can
Hmm.
use like a tool.
Hmm.
And then once it is ready, then we want to see whether we can charge for it, right? So
Hmm.
I sent you in the WhatsApp the master plan doc.
Okay.
Yeah, you got it?
Yeah,
What's
yeah,
up?
got it. So it's a student support uh, application. It's a project tool.
Yeah. Basically, students who want help, no,
Mhm.
they will go to this. They will get basic concepts. Like Aishwarya, as a person, she is an educator. She
Mhm.
is pursuing her PhD,
Mhm.
and um, she is um, very thorough with fundamentals of physics, chemistry, math, bio, everything. So like you can ask her any question.
Mhm.
And she's been physically delivering this service. Now she wants to use AI so that many people can use that service.
Mhm.
Okay. So um, so they can learn in private at their pace, their speed. They will get primarily coursework, I mean basic concepts, coursework, and then exam preparation help basically.
Mhm.
So they will say concepts, practice exam, and they will see that where are the gaps, which topic they have not really understood.
Mhm.
Then there are quizzes. So basically, math, science, English, and business. I mean, business means economics. So the outcome is that they have to get mastery score more than 80%. So there are a lot of tests involved in this.
Mhm.
Then they'll get personalized study plans. Then they'll get help with homework or doubt solving. They can upload a picture and say that, help me understand this and solve for me, step by step walkthrough. They can get tools like timetables, weekly planners. Um, yeah. And then they can also get teacher and parent support. So we'll start with a web app only first.
Okay. So what is mm, the main module? What is the main the problem that she's solving that the other softwares are not?
She is putting her method of coaching, like her approach.
Hmm.
She's putting her, like what she's doing for so many years now, she wants to AI to do it. Like instead of she being present, it has to behave like her, basically.
Mhm. Okay. Uh, shall we have a quick demo of style your hair?
Yes, let's do that. Yeah. Oh, by the way, I showed we know yesterday, gave some feedback. I gave you feedback, no?
Yeah, yeah. So all that is done. So added mode, style your hair, style my hair. So let's upload.
Style my daughter hair, right?
Ah, so these are the styles
I
and
can't see.
You can't see? Okay, 1 minute. Okay.
Yeah, I can see now.
Okay. These are the styles. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, nearly 14 styles, mostly
Hmm.
Indian styles.
Okay.
So I clicked on this
Okay.
pompadour. Mm. So this is the style. So there's a slider and you can
Hmm.
compare. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. That is very useful. That
Ah,
is amazing, actually.
yeah.
That's amazing. Now there was a request that, for example, you pick up you pick up one style, right? You
Uh-huh.
pick up another style now.
Huh.
You pick another
So,
style.
so I've picked up curly wavy top.
Okay. What about the previously picked up style? Where it is?
That'll appear. That'll appear below this.
Below where?
Uh,
On the
I'll just show you.
ah.
Okay. It should appear below. It's not appearing.
Yeah. Otherwise, they had to download, no? What is the download?
Here you can download here. It's downloaded here. See, it's downloaded. Or you can
Oh,
share.
amazing. Amazing.
So you can share it'll give a link. You can share also.
Yeah.
So here, from here, you can download, share results. Then, if you want to discard it, you can discard it.
Hmm.
This is Bollywood layered medium.
Hmm. Yeah, this is very useful.
Ah. So this is the Bollywood.
Um, let me try
Huh?
on my phone.
Ah. And the most interesting thing is this one, giving it prompts. So I can say,
So how did you come to this page? This one.
yeah,
Go
there are
back
two
to the
tabs here, no, on the top. You just click on the tab on the top.
okay, okay.
Okay. So now I've given it
So there
Amitabh.
is preset styles and AI style generator, right?
So you can say I want Amitabh Bachchan style, I want Hrithik Roshan style, I want Shah Rukh Khan Pompadour style. So or David Beckham's style. So this is Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah.
So let's try David Beckham.
They can put anything, right?
Anything, anything. You can try anything.
And how is the token usage and how it's going to really going to work?
That's not much. So
Not
this is
much.
Beckham. Hmm.
Okay. Okay. Cool. Uh,
Then we can have Shah Rukh Khan style.
in Bazigar,
You can name the films
yeah,
and
Bazigar.
particular style. This is Shah Rukh Khan.
Hmm.
Bazigar style.
Yeah. What is Pompadour? You don't need Pompadour.
Okay.
Remove that.
Yeah. Let's see.
Bazigar movie. Maybe you have to say Bazigar movie.
It understands Bazikar. Even if you don't put Bazikar movie, it'll generate.
Otherwise, it'll start thinking what is the meaning of Bazigar.
No, no, it knows. It is AI. Shah Rukh Khan Bazikar. It'll know.
Yeah.
This
Perfect.
is perfect.
Perfect.
Ah,
It's amazing. It's
amazing.
amazing.
So there is this Tere Naam Salman Khan's movie. Salman Khan. Tere Naam. Long hair covering the face.
What about mobile? It will work perfectly in mobile.
Yes, yes. It is mobile responsive. A little long.
Yeah. But there below you can put the length, no? Length,
Yes,
make
yes,
it
yes.
shorter.
We can make it short.
Shorter.
Short.
Yeah.
Yeah. What?
Medium.
Medium?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Generate and see what happens.
Ah.
This is amazing.
Hmm. Yes. The same short
Perfect.
look. You can
Yeah.
color also. Light brown. With bangs, without bangs. Texture. Light brown. And you can change the structure. Curly. Okay. Let's see curly hair. This is curly. Beautiful. So the recent results are shown here, like this. And all this is stored
Why
in.
it is only restricted to 3? Where are the others?
We can add no, it is not restricted. Okay, it is restricted. I'll allow as many.
Allow, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 10 max.
And we are storing all these images in the database. So if a client comes after 1 year and says, I want that look, that image that you gave me, we'll be able to give those images. The
Then they will have login and all that, right?
No, but even if that customer says, I came on this date, we'll be able to identify. I'll
Mm,
show you all the images that I made from the database.
mm, mm.
Okay.
Hi, Vinod. So, Doc, Vinod is
Hello.
here. He wants to see.
Hello, hello.
Hi, hi.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Hi, how are you?
Good, good.
Good. Can you see the
Yes, I
screen?
can.
Okay.
Not the screen. I can see your videos. Screen is coming through now. Yes.
Okay, Doc, show once again from beginning.
From beginning? Okay.
So this style my hair, you have to change it to heads of
Huh?
our Tuesday demo.
Okay. So you can
Okay.
capture also, or you can click upload. So side view. Uh, I've chosen curly afro.
Let's do an Indian style, please.
Okay, Indian style.
Yeah, perfect.
Nice.
I love it.
Nice.
Okay, show his front face, not side view.
Uh, I
You know
changed.
what's unique about this is a slider, which is quite amazing.
Hmm,
Yeah, it's very good. And also show the other stuff
yeah.
like we fixed the Shah Rukh Khan Basigar face changing issue.
Yeah, I mean, we don't want people to come around and ask, are we going to get a facelift as well?
Yeah.
For free. How much tokens are we looking at for each upload?
Not much.
Okay. So let's say for like 10 changes, 10 uploads, right? Or 10 versions.
Mhm.
Do we have like a math of how much it's going to cost us?
I'll calculate, but it is hardly anything.
Okay.
For one image is 1 cent, roughly.
Okay. That's not bad.
So yeah, 10 images is $1. No. 10 cents. 10
100,
cents,
100,
no?
100.
100, yeah. 100 images is $1, yeah.
So these are the images yesterday. Okay.
Yeah, that's right. So these style libraries, are we taking this from a sort of already available library, or can we generate more style libraries like this?
We can
We already included more. Already,
Yeah,
all
yeah, I
your
saw that.
requests has been already incorporated.
Nice.
So these are Indian ones. These top ones are Indian ones.
Okay.
These
Okay.
are all Indian.
So what I'm asking is, did you have to manually generate that separately, or is this available in a library that we can pick from?
If you can give me a reference image, I will generate a style.
Okay. 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 The libraries that I sent through, there were a couple of samples already there.
Okay, I'll use them.
Yeah. So, I mean, if you can just remove the face from there and just take the hairstyle, I think that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, the other question is, let's say I bring a style that I like. All right.
Mhm.
I want it to be this way. So is that where the text coding comes in? Like Shah Rukh Khan style?
Yes, exactly. So you can put it in any of the AI coding tools. I mean, ChatGPT or any AI tool, and ask it to describe the style and paste it.
Mhm.
Now, why don't we
Okay.
give an attaching option here, Doc?
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah. Here
No,
only
just add a one button saying bring your style, right? Attach
Yeah.
your style.
Yes. We can do that.
That'll be
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah.
So if they like someone's style, then just upload the picture and just take the
Yeah.
hairstyle only.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So they can upload their picture and get what you call preset styles, or they can upload a picture of inspiration
Yeah.
and generate a style.
Yes. So that'll be the third tab.
And then the third level would be, when I give this to someone, and they can go crazy with it, right? Like for example, so we restrict for 10, for example. And then what we'll do is that we will say, oh, based on the selections which are made, these are the available closest matches to the products which we have.
Yeah.
So
That is
that will
also
be the next level.
correct. We don't have to offer this right now. That can be an upgrade.
Yeah.
But if you can show that capability that it can be done, as long as we have tried it and it's proven for us that we can do it, we don't have to show it or give it to them as yet. We can keep it on the side and we can say these are the options that we can develop. But at least for us, we need to have the confidence that we can do it.
Yes. We can do it. So
Yeah.
you just have to give me what are the hairstyles they are capable of doing. So if you give me that, we'll be able to tell the user that this is the closest that is to the style.
Yeah, this is the model number of heads, model number closest to this, and here is the picture.
Technically speaking, they can do any style they want to.
Any style.
Yeah. So, the image libraries that I said, the sample ones before and after, if we take that one and just code, let's say maybe 10 or 15 of them, I think to start with, that is brilliant, right?
So, Doc, you have that or you want me to resend that?
I have. Let me
Okay.
show you 1 minute. Let me open it up.
Yeah. I'd sent you a few competitor sites, right? And also style libraries. It's in the Notion page that I sent. You want me to open it?
Let me
Yeah,
open.
yeah. Let Doc check whether he has.
Yeah. So in today's class, did we discuss how we built this?
No, 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 no. We did not. Today's class we were discussing about easiest way to test certain modules, how to create a button,
Mm-hmm.
how to reusable codes, and what is the easiest way to do it, and the three approaches where you can have the code on your device, code on the cloud, and you can do everything on the terminal. And then we discuss about various tools.
Nice.
I don't have the document.
Okay,
Okay.
let me just. I'm moving to my laptop. Just give me a second. I'm going to switch here, and then I'll share it. 1 second. Are you able to hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So these are. I mean, you can take images from any of these. Any of these styles is possible. Technically speaking, for image comparison of how they'd like to see their hairstyle. I mean, these are all Western, but we can also take some Eastern as well. Joseph's fabric. There we go. So these are for women.
So, Doc, can we give a gender selection in the beginning?
It works for both male, female. All these
Oh,
types,
okay.
they work for both male and female. There's no
But I
need
guess
for.
for
Okay.
female, we need more libraries, right? Female will have some more.
We can have more styles, but
Or we can create 2 pages exactly copy.
hmm,
Yeah.
okay.
So the libraries are all here that I put through. If you click on any of them, I think you can pick it up. I'll probably have some more, and I'd send through a few which were in the PDF as well, right?
Yeah.
Do you remember the PDF that I
Can
sent
you
through?
resend that? Can you resend that?
Yeah, no problem. I'll
Yeah.
send that out. Or I'll upload it over here only. Before, after images. There we go. This one. It's here. Do you see it? In the Notion page that I sent,
Mhm.
it's before, after images. It's here. Zip file. And that's the logo.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Anything else you might need? So you can pick the hair style library from here. And yeah, we don't need for all of them, but I guess we have for quite a few of them here. For men's hair systems, plenty of images available. Whichever possible we can take. The buzz cut. And the name of the style also is over here. Yeah. So men's hair systems, if you just check
This
here,
looks
right?
very, very exhaustive. It's nice. Very like you can feel that it is information rich.
You mean the site? Yeah, it's
Yeah,
very, I mean, it's a complex system. I like the way they've done the hair system. You can pick up the hair system from here, and basis that you can choose a style. See, they've done it quite well. I mean, this is an international, I mean, imagine you can choose your hairstyle virtually. That's what this is. You don't have to even go there. But this is next level. We don't need to go to this level right now. But as of now, if we can just get the style mapped out, that's good to start with. I'll send the Notion page again.
yeah,
Yeah, but great job so far. I really like what's come out in this version.
yeah.
Yeah,
Amazing.
well done.
And also the speed at which the comments are incorporated.
Yeah,
We gave yesterday night.
I know. I know. We're enjoying the speed. These are things which
Yeah,
should have
yeah,
taken weeks for someone to
yeah,
incorporate code. Yeah. So yeah, good job to the team and you, Doc.
Yeah.
And BT, you
yeah,
well done as well. Good project management.
yeah, yeah, absolutely, absolutely. I'm very glad. So yeah, let's do it Tuesday demo, and you get your partner if
Hmm.
possible,
Yeah.
and
You
then
give me a
we'll
time,
do a
please, if you
demo.
can. If you can give me a time, I'll try to do it. Maybe evening is better.
Doc, Tuesday, what time you would be available? 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, your
I
time.
guess maybe yeah. Give me two time slots. I'll check and then book it up.
It'll be afternoon time in the Tuesday.
Yeah.
You check with him also. You let us know, Vinod.
Okay, done. I'll do that.
Okay.
Would you like me to
And we
just
will.
give you two slots, Doc? Is that better for you?
Doc, you want to give?
Yeah. Two slots is fine.
No, no. When? Which two
Tuesday
slots?
afternoon between 2 to 6.
Tuesday afternoon, 2 to 6. Yeah. Okay. 2 to 6
Done.
IST. Two to
Yes.
six IST.
Got it. Got it. I'll send an invite
Okay.
over.
Okay.
Okay.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
All right.
Happy Sunday, everyone.
All right. Bye bye.
Bye bye.